All right, hey. Let's get these out the way so we can kind of get busy real quick. This is what we have. That's what the box looks like. Okay. And then I took everything out already. I got excited. I said, oops, slow down. So here's this box right here. And this also came out of it. So let me just lay it down on the table. Okay. So you have this case, hard case. And then you have this that came inside the box. And then these 3 items are inside the box. So you have your bag. Hold on. Doing stuff with one hand is like, okay. All right, so here is your nice case. Really soft and pretty. Then how you can charge it. And because I'll be liking to know too. So here's how you charge it. Here's what this looks like. Just a second. You guys see that? A little flat piece. So there's that. And then one of my favorite parts, the legs. That's what I call the legs. Yeah, so you got your nice little flat base. And then these are the little slips. So there's that. Okay, let's bring that up. I'm just moving that up here. And then I'm just folding this back down. There's that. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, hello. Come on, talk to me, baby. Okay, don't worry. We getting it. We getting it though, right? Right. We got it, right? Right. We got it, right? Right. Right. Okay. I need to add some music to this. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh. Well, hello, sweet pie. Hello, dear. Really, really like this. Like, yes, ma'am. Thank you, God. I'm very grateful. Super appreciative. And look at how that baby fold on down, okay? That was a piece that came off. And here is our masterpiece right here. This is to zoom in and zoom out. This is to control this part up here, up and down. Let's see if we got a little bit of juice. Okay, we got some juice, okay. All right, so, oh, and then don't forget, you guys, you have your button back here. So, clicking it twice. Am I hitting it? Clicking it twice. Oh, also, we're going to connect it to, there's an app for this as well. So that'll make life easier, but just trying to show you guys the unboxing of it. And then here is, you would plug this in here like so. Like that. It's hard to kind of put it in here, but yep. So let me just kind of lay it out here for you guys. And you guys know that that's the case. Here is this right here. I'm trying to screw it in. I don't know that I'm actually going to be able to do this. Oh, don't, okay. So don't be talking about what you ain't going to be able to do, huh? Okay. Did you guys see how easy that was? Okay. And I'm just going to show it to you guys. Fold it all the way up. So you just take the legs out like that. They probably call something different, but I call them the legs. All right. So here's this completely up. And then it folds really easy into itself. Voila. So let me just put all of this right here if I can. Charger. I'm not gonna put the plastic in there. And you have that. And yeah, and this folds down fairly easy as well. So there you guys have it. Peace, love, and happiness.